For this recipe, I'm using 1.5 pounds of chicken breast. Wash and cut them into cubes. I'm going to marinate the chicken with 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. If you don't have ginger garlic paste, you may use ginger garlic powder. 1.5 tablespoons of freshly ground black pepper and 3 tablespoons of corn flour. Let all the ingredients get well incorporated and set it aside for 15 to 20 minutes. In a skillet, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil over medium heat. Once it's hot, fry the chicken until it turns light brown over medium heat and flip them over a couple of times. Once it's cooked thoroughly, take them off from the heat. Now let's make the butter garlic sauce. For making butter garlic sauce, in the same pan add 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter, 3 to 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 2 teaspoons of chopped green chili, adjust your taste, 3 tablespoons of green onion. Cook for a minute or two. Into that add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Let all the ingredients get well incorporated. Cook on low heat and stir them now and then. In the meanwhile, mix together 1 tablespoon of corn flour with water and make sure there's no lumps. Add it to the sauce and combine them well. Add 1 more teaspoon of ground black pepper if you want. I like mine a little spicy. Add fried chicken pieces with 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Let all the ingredients get well incorporated. The preparation is so easy and with only a few ingredients. Unlike the other recipes, we are not going to add a lot of masala into it. Finally, garnish it with some green onion. The combination of butter and garlic gives you an excellent aromatic smell which makes you want to eat more and more for sure. Thanks for joining. See you again soon with an awesome recipe. Bye-bye.